Hi friends, it's Peg. Spring in Iowa means it's time to get gardening. And I have this wonderful new package from Stalk. They're a company out of Tennessee, family owned, and they make these vertical towers to plant in. So I'm going to try some different things with container gardening this year because, I'm getting to the age where I don't really crawl around on my hands and knees as much doing gardening. So I need tools that I can use. Now, this is a cover for the frost. And in Iowa, we still have late frost dates. So that's what I'm going to do is cover things. That's the water reservoir. This is the trolley to move things around. I'm just unpacking all the pieces, and I will be putting this together. I got two of these, and they send great instructions and a magazine, and I'm just excited to get this planted up. I intend to use one for herbs and one for salad things. I don't know what, I think there's like 30 slots in this. This is the original. They make two different sizes, the original and the leaf. The original has deeper pockets, so I can put things like tomatoes and peppers and that in it. And so I'm going to try another project later in the season. I want to do some strawberries and things, and that'll be in shallower pots. So right now I'm just getting all the components out, testing to see how this is going to go together. And you will see me as I bring you along and experiment using this green stalk and planting. So I've got to put out more things. I need to put away things. So here we go. So I've opened the second green stalk, and now I'm gonna start putting the components together. Really easy. They have wheels that lock and wheels that don't lock. You just do every other one around the base of the rolling trolley, and then you start stacking on your trays and your watering pieces, and easy peasy lemon squeezy. They send good instructions, and there's a tube so that you can drain. You can either cap it off, or they give you a nice cap and they give you a drain hose. So if you don't want that running across your patio, which I don't, I'm going to put a drain hose on it and run the water out the backside to my garden. And there's the first one going down, and it just fits right onto the trolley. You can see that there are slots for the pieces to fit together. And I will be getting my dirt and filling this up. Oops, had to take a break. Gotta feed the birds too. So I'm putting out some seed and some liquid for the hummingbirds, and just getting things ready for springtime in Iowa. So I put out 50 bags of mulch and built a new retaining wall. I have other projects going on this spring. I redid the kitchen countertop and painted. So you can see I've been a busy, busy person. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. There's more to come.